English together.
What's in your bag?
What's in your bag, Jessica?
Oh, you really want to know?
Yes. Please show me.
Let's see. First, my umbrella.
Good idea. The weather changes a lot these days.
Next, my snack bag.
Snacks? What's inside?
I have cookies, some nuts, and chocolate.
Yummy. I love chocolate.
Next, my headphones.
Oh, do you listen to music?
Yes, every day on the bus. Let's see. Here is my small makeup kit.
Nice. No wonder you always look great.
Thank you. And, of course, my water bottle.
Good idea. We must drink water.
And, of course, my wallet and my phone.
Wow, you carry so many things.
Yes, my bag is like my house.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.